Definitely the fun you have. You know, when you're working with the kids, all they want to do is play. You know, at high school, you don't really get to play noughts and crosses for like an hour straight, but when you're at the placement, you do. My name's Finn. I do vet. I do an early childhood education course. It lets me see placement, so I go to a local kindergarten. It lets me get a taste of what I want to be doing in the future. At the placements, I have some assignments such as like interacting with kids, teaching them proper procedures like hygiene, transitions between activities. I really like reading the books to them. It's interesting to see how much they pick up on. That's a good highlight for me. The staff at the kin have been really welcoming, even when sometimes at the start I might have been a little shy, and that definitely helped me develop in that kinder. And yeah, they've been awesome really. It's been really beneficial going into the vet course, and I think a lot of people should be doing that because, you know, it gives you a taste of what you want to do later in life. Yeah.